getting money, NFL lockout. Times harder than a diamond, so we rock out. Flex a little muscle, make these bitches flock and run about. This that pure shit, they wonder where I found it. Fresh, raw, flaky, blocked up, never pounded. Snaps like Bassage, a nigga stay hounded. Higher than the price, hear how the weed sounded. I'm on my P's and Q's, a slip equals numbers. Get pinched with a Q, niggas gone for some summers. And niggas going envy, they bitch on my lumber. Forest Green Bentley, chrome fence by the bumper. I don't entertain, hate, get the last laugh. Energy.
What it do, YouTube? We back at it again. I'm pretty sure y'all heard from y'all other favorite YouTubers or whatnot that the grind don't stop even with the coronavirus. So let's get right into it. 2011 Buick Regal. This one got the turbo. We doing the rear brakes on it. We'll need a 14, wait, a 13 Ratchet. And my favorite little tool for the rear caliper. Just like that. These ones still got a little bit of life on it, but it's probably the other side that's bad. We're not doing the rotors. As you can see, I had to press, twist in the caliper. It is easier if you take the rotor off, but it is what it is. So I got my wire brush. Normally, I wouldn't do this, but I'm just showing it because I like to do the brakes. When I do brakes, I like to do the ones that come with this. So if you're putting the cheap ones on there, you won't get the hardware. So you're just going to need to do this if you don't get the hardware. Supposed to have a face, man. You just want to clean them up. Just get them clean. Do not throw these away until you know for sure your new hardware is going to work. They don't always work. The brake pads will work, but the hardware won't. And then you're bummed out. Instead of getting bummed out, hold on to these, clean them as if you're going to reuse them. You gotta hold on to them if there's ever a doubt. All right, I forgot where I left off at. Phone rang, sorry about that. But basically what we're gonna do is we're gonna make sure our hardware matches up, and then we're gonna coat the back of our brake pads. I'm gonna use this brake pad. Neighbors are going through it. Hell yeah, trusty one. Some little ones are alright, but they don't do it like this one. All right, guys, we got some action going on, guys. I had to turn the camera off real quick. I'm gonna try not to edit nothing else out, but man, when it go down, it go down. Ain't nobody safe, I guess. Let's get this brake job finished. So I was trying to figure out what am I doing wrong, and it's nothing that I'm doing wrong. It's just this hardware, it sits on the caliper bracket a little bit funny. So once you get one set, the other one unsets. It's crazy. So we got to get both ears in. We'll try a screwdriver, try to push that end in, maybe get this brake pad seated. Bang! I don't know. Gotta have a flathead, I guess. Man, and now you know we ain't gonna record the other side, but basically that's what it's gonna take just to do rear brake pads on a 2011 Regal. I want to thank everybody for tuning into my videos. We're gonna get through this coronavirus. Until then, I'm gonna try to pump out content for anybody and everybody who wants to learn how to do what I do. This is DIY Dreaming, and I'm in black, and I'm out. For some reason, when my sister bring me cars that she owned to work on, it's never what it's supposed to be. With that being said, this brake job was not what it's supposed to be. But we figured it out without renting a tool. It is what it is. I didn't want to rent the tool. So we got the caliper all the way recessed, finally. We're gonna go. I even put the old brake pads back on just to see if I was making any headway. But I'm gonna put the new caliper, the new brake pads back in, and yeah,